Oh, it's hot. Hello, moos.
They are making negotiations this time.
By the cows. Oh God, you're brave, dude. Will not kick,
Yeah, let's go.
bro. Braver than me, bro. I'm worried it would just kick us. Oh, wow. They got a big hump. These are. I've never seen this type of cow before.
Yeah, it's a desi cow.
Desi cow.
He's the caretaker.
Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम आर्मी का एरिया है वीडियो बनाया है
नहीं गाय की बना-
गाय की मैंने सामने वो कैमरे लगे हुए
He's
हैं
saying don't make video over there. That's the army area.
Okay.
You can only shoot cows.
Just the cows.
हाँ.
No
आ
problem.
जाएंगे अभी आर्मी वाले
Okay.
हाँ देख लो गाड़ी
He's the caretaker.
A lot of
Don't
cows.
make video over that side.
That side, yeah.
Yeah.
Not that side, just here.
Yeah.
How much is a cow?
पूछ रहे कितने की है?
कौन सी
Which one?
That one.
ये है 7 लाख रुपए
7 lakhs.
7 lakhs. Oh, so after I do my thing, I can afford a cow. 7 lakhs. Okay. It's like £2,000. Like £1,900.
Two teeth, just like 2 years old.
अभी आर्मी वाला हमारे लिए
He's saying like he's scared that they will like.
Hiking area
come to
there.
them.
Okay, I'll load the camera. Keep it down low.
Yeah, we'll make it over there.
We'll go over there.
Yeah, we will make video over that side. You see the fear of army?
Yeah, people don't seem to be too fond of the army. That's a nice looking cow, isn't it? Oh wow.
This must be expensive.
Look at the coat on it.
There are a lot of cattle farms. We can visit somewhere else. Like you can like take video there also.
Sure. I don't want to get these guys in trouble.
Yeah, he will try because he looks so
So.
scared.
He looked, yeah, worried. I'll
It
put
must be because this the area.
yeah, near the army.
area.
Yeah, I don't want to be that guy.